Hi, everybody. I'm Vanessa. I work as a front-end lead at Savvy.io. And right now I'm very much looking forward to for me, second Vue.js Forge conference. And I will guide through a really incredible, amazing exercise using a lot of Tailwind CSS, Daisy UI, and building actually a form. And if you don't remember how forms work actually anymore with like these weird submit buttons and input fields, like these native elements in HTML, then I'm there for you.
If you could have any superpower as a developer, what would it be and how would you use it?
Very specifically in the front end world. I'm not sure how all of you are feeling, but I think I sometimes have this burnout feeling of our frameworks out there. So it went from Browsery, Grunt, Gulp, Webpack, Vite, Vue.js, React, Angular, Quick, Solid.js, Astro, etc. And I kind of would like to have this superpower to learn everything at once to make the really best decision on it. And the second superpower that would be to, if I make a switch to another either version or framework, to let the migration just run in my head and I will just wait for it for me to finish. Maybe the AI can do it at some point. But yes, that could be the superpower for surviving as a front-end developer.
What's the most creative or unconventional solution you've come up with to solve a programming problem?
Well, still digital. So I'm not using pen and paper to code something. But what I always do and always encourage other people and developers to do is solve the problem outside of your usual code base. That can come in very handy because you don't have any distractions. And sometimes some features don't really work just because of this one setting you might have in your local environment, maybe because of your settings. Maybe you have some purge CSS and suddenly your CSS is gone and then you're looking at the wrong places for the bug. So what I often do is start a project from scratch, implement your components, implement your logic. Then you have really narrowed down the solution space, copy it over. And if something then not works, then you know already the problem itself was already solved. It might be based on your specific environment that you're working in. And let's be honest, nobody of us is probably working in this super cool skeleton boilerplate of, I don't know, we create my app. No, we have something weird inside that sometimes we sit there for hours and can't find the bug.
If you could build any software or app without any limitations, what would it be and why?
Software with great UX for all of the non-tech people. Because so often, if I go outside and talk to some people and they are using some kind of software, that could be like at doctors or like at bank appointments. And as soon as they know what my job title is, because sometimes doctors, you write it on the form, your job title, and it's like, oh, you're a software engineer. Why is my software not working? And I know why it is not working because there's not much money spent on it. And especially probably not on the UX part of it. It's probably they have security, they have a lot of privacy issues, and they're probably companies put the money in. But maybe the front end UX part is not that big. And I heard stories about, oh no, I have to delete the whole form and start from scratch. And why can't I not just redo my last input and then it magically works? So I would like to do this magic for everyone to make everybody's life easier in day-to-day business. Unfortunately, I'm only one person, so I right now do it only for Savvy. But what I would love to do if I have limitless hours per day, that I could enable that for everybody out there, not just for my customers right now.